Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to share your profile link on Discord. First of all, you can open the Discord application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the U icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can now go to the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply scroll down and down, and here you can now tap on advanced, and after this make sure that developer mode option is on, and just simply go to the home, and after this you can go to the friends chat, and you can now tap on the friend's name at the top left corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply see the three dots, tap on it, and here you can copy channel id, and you can send it of any app. You can send it on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anything that you want, and it is a way you can copy profile link on Discord. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.